tagging is something you need to do when you upload a video to YouTube. It's an indicator to YouTube as to what your content might be about. There's some great free tools that will help you with this. Check out TubeBuddy, there's a link to that in our description. So when you upload your video, or even if you've already uploaded it, you want to add tags in a multi-pronged attack. The first stage is you need to add words that are specific. So YouTube is here and upload for this video. Now pop in the video title as a tag. Now more generic tags, how to, vlog, tutorial. And finally, also pop in some misspelt words. Because if you're like me, you're always spelling things wrong, and it's pretty common on the internet. Although there is an infinite number of ways to spell stuff wrong, so I wouldn't spend too much time on this, and only really bother it if there's a common misspelling mistake of a word that you use in your title, because you've only got 500 characters to play with here, people. Get as many in as you can before the tags run out. There you go, you're all tagged up. Tagging is just a small part of correctly uploading a video. That's why I'd recommend checking out this video called How to Upload a YouTube Video Properly. You might already know some of the stuff, you might learn a lot. But if you're a smarty pants and you think you don't need to know, just hit subscribe down here instead.